creating a system. Now that you have all the tools to go out there and start investing, however, to stay successful in the market for years and years, you need to create a system that you completely stick to. This does not need to be a complicated system, it just needs to be something that you are able to maintain. Compliance is the key. You have all the knowledge you need. You just need to put it together and find something that works for you. Find an asset allocation plan that you like. Do some research to see if there's any other assets that you would like to hold other than stocks and bonds. Gold and real estate are some that I suggest. But also, if you want to hold stocks and bonds, that's fine. You're already leagues ahead of anyone that isn't doing investing by doing so. Find some ETFs that fit your needs. Go for market ETFs, such as the ones that we discussed earlier, or find some of your own. There are thousands of options for you to look through. And finally, create a funding plan. Know how much money you want to put into the market every year. Divide that by 12 to dollar cost average by the month, or even by 52 to put money in weekly. But most importantly, just do something. Just get in the market and start playing around. You may be overwhelmed at first, but I'm confident that the knowledge you have from these videos, you're ready to succeed. That's all for today. See you next time.